Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can install Linux or Windows on an Apple Silicon Mac. That's M1, M2, M3 or M4 using Parallels desktop. Running Linux or Windows on M series Macs is not as straightforward as Intel Mac because of the ARM architecture, but I'll guide you through every step. Let's jump in. Firstly, let's go to parallels.com. Here I'll be using a trial free account. You can do the same, and if it works for you, you can buy it later. Okay, so firstly here I need to enter my email address. I'll check this terms and conditions box and click on submit. Now here is the option to download Parallels for desktop. I'll click on it. And just like that, the installer is downloaded. Now let's go to my downloads folder. I'll double click on the installer. Once I do that, I get this screen. So I'll double click on install Parallels desktop. I'll click on open. Now what it will do is it will download the whole package and then you can install it. Now it might ask for your password to install it. I'll enter that. So here is the Windows where you can select install Windows if you want to do that. And there is other options as well. So firstly, let's install Windows. So now it will take a few minutes to download the Windows installer package. It is around a 4 GB package, so it might take a while. And just like that, Windows is downloaded. Now it is asking me if I want to provide access to my camera. I'll click on allow. Same for the microphone. Now the Windows bundler is downloaded. Now it will install Windows. And just like that, Windows is installed. I'll click on continue trial. If you get the prompt, you can click on the same. I'll click on continue and it will ask to sign into Parallels. I'll click on sign in with Google. I'll click on accept. This is Windows license agreement. And just like that, Windows 11 is installed successfully. As you can see, it's full-fledged Windows and you can install any software you want to that works on Windows will work here as well. For example, I can open Edge on Windows, and yeah, seems like everything is working fine. I can see the control panel as well, and even you can access your camera and microphone. It is already connected to your Wi-Fi network without doing anything. So that's it for Windows. Let's see how we can install Linux. So I'll right click on Parallels desktop and I'll click on Control Center. So this is the control center which is showing Windows 11 as one of the VMs installed in Parallels. Now what I can do is I can click on this plus button, and now there are a few more options that you can select from, or you can even install using an image file. So I want to install Linux on this one. So Linux is a bit easier if you click here directly. So let's click on it and I'll click on continue. So this is showing up like what's the Ubuntu version that it will be installing. So it will be installing Ubuntu version 24.0.4 and ARM64 one. I'll click on download. Now again, it will take a few more seconds to download Linux. Okay, so here Ubuntu is downloaded. Now it's installing it. So I'll be creating a password for this Ubuntu machine. And just like that, Ubuntu is installed. Now after installing Ubuntu, it is also installing a few more tools that will enable it to access camera, microphone and internet from your main computer. Now once it is done, it will ask to restart this VM. So I'll do that. I'll enter my password. And just like that, Ubuntu is up and running. Let's see if we can access internet on this. And yes, internet is accessible on Ubuntu as well. So this is how you can super easily install Ubuntu on Mac using Parallels. And that's it. You now have installed Linux as well as Windows on your Apple Silicon Mac via Parallels desktop. Perfect for development, servers, or just exploring the Linux and Windows ecosystem, all from your MacBook or iMac. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and drop a comment. If you want tutorials on installing specific Linux distros or using tools like Docker or VS Code inside your VM, please comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.